back to Wild Push. Today we got a digital postal skill we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing for you guys. This thing can go up to 50 pounds. It's by ACCUTECK. Got this from Amazon. It's on right now. It has a cool little digital display right there. And yeah, let's get to it. Open this up. Oh, hey, actually you open it up because I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this item. A perfect 5-star review. Wow, I haven't seen that in a while.
It comes with batteries.
Yeah, okay. That's a lot of reviews. That's 58,000 reviews. And it weighs up to 50 pounds. Let's see how it looks. And the pricing will be in the description.
Well, first thing you need to do, pop this open. Batteries. Takes exactly 3 batteries. Me, personally, I wanted a skill so I could weigh cards.
This thing will do it.
This is what it looks like. Back on.
Well, that's cool that you can use this if you don't want to use batteries. So, you have it on ounces? Let's see it weigh some stuff. Oh, perfect. Okay. It weighs that 1.4 ounces.
Yo, my nicotine that. What about this? A book.
Oh.
13.7 ounces. Wow. Now it weighs,
Oh my goodness.
128 ounces.
Wow.
What else can it weigh? You know what? How about this? A simple pen.
Okay. Let's see if we can pick it up. Oh, it does! 0.3 ounce. Okay.
What about the stone? How much do you think this is heavier than the main
2 ounce.
Let's say 58.
Oh, I almost got it dead on. 58.
What about this? I'm gonna guess 2.5. Oh, I almost got it right.
This is exactly what I wanted. Picking things up in ounces. 5-star review. That's what we needed.
You can tell it's good quality as well. You know, and I didn't realize that, but you can lift this up. It's a small little scale that only takes 3 little simple batteries. You can tell that this is actually gonna help you out. Some of these other scales are just stupid.
The other one?
Yeah, like this can actually weigh like small stuff. Like you can pick up this piece of cardboard, for instance. So I would consider it 5 stars. Pick up a freaking piece of cardboard.
Perfect for doing online eBay or anything that you're selling.
Well, thanks for watching.
Push up.